that bitch down one more time.
Know y'all remember this car. It was at the shop a long time ago. It was white. 412s. I think he done redid all of it. Green machine. That bitch is clean. Yeah, that mother's sitting nice, boy.
Appreciate it.
Where you get that chrome radio bezel from?
Man, some niggas selling Impala pieces.
Is that in Dallas?
I don't know where that nigga from. I got him on my shit. That's
Yeah,
why
he
I got
clean.
Cause I was gonna clone this bitch. It was supposed to be a Impala. And I wouldn't do that. Just keep it original. Then you have
That boy clean.
Is it real? Is it real Impala and all this shit? So I just definitely like that.
Yes, sir. Mm-hmm.
We do the back deck and all that shit. That's why we ain't put that shit back in there. We ain't do that one.
Yes, sir. Very nice, sir. Very, very nice. Came a long way.
Years.
Couple of years. That was just at what, the first shot, second shot? Second shot.
I bought this car in like 22.
Yeah, but you can't count that. You ain't start playing with it till like, shit.
23, about 3 years. It's 26 now, G.
Man, that ain't bad. But this the beginning of 26 still though, bro. So really,
it's April. It's finna be the middle of 26.
Man, we ain't gonna count all that. We ain't even at the 6 months.
Baby. Time moving, man.
Yeah, he looking good, y'all.
Yeah. Probably come out at you next weekend.
What them wheels is? The 15-inch what?
20s.
15-inch 20s. Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna come holler at y'all though. I'll slide by and focus this one.
Shit, that's a bit, brother.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, yeah. My boy D-Boy. Oh, yeah. That mother look good. Now you see how you look on wheels.
He clean though.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Make them wheels look good. I guess because the car's so big.
That mother's sitting on them hoes, boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Already.